Hello guys and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply sell your Bitcoin on Quidax. And it's an easy process. Make sure you log on to the webpage quidax.com. And once on this web, simply click on this hamburger icon at the top right and select the sign in option. So once you selected the signing option, all you need to do now is simply head over to the icon again at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this icon and select the wallet option, which is just here. Once you've selected the wallet option, and with the wallet section opened up, select this arrow that's pointing away from see all wallets. Select the arrow, select Bitcoin, and now have a look at your Bitcoin. As you can see here, your available Bitcoin would be shown here in this space. And all you need to do is simply select buy or sell, which is just here. Select the buy or sell. Once you've done that, select sell. Click on the Quidax token, currencies to sell Quidax token, and select Bitcoin. And we're going to be selling it for either USDT or the Nigerian Naira, any of which works. So select USDT, put in the amount of BTC you wish to sell, and simply click on the continue option. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how you can sell Bitcoin on Quidax, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.